Hello, good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you are all doing well. Today, we will learn some English sentences that will help you introduce yourself. If you meet someone who speaks English and you need to introduce yourself, these sentences will be very useful for you. So, let's get started. Good morning. It's 7 a.m. right now. I wake up at this time every day and start preparing breakfast. While making breakfast, I also wake up my children so they don't get late for school. Many kids take a long time to wake up in the morning, but my children get up as soon as I call them. After breakfast, I drop them off at school myself and buy some household essentials on my way back. Then I take a short rest before starting the house cleaning. Cleaning takes quite some time, and by the time I'm done, a good part of the morning has passed. After that, I make myself a hot cup of tea and begin my online work. I get so immersed in my work that I don't even realize when noon arrives. Since my kids are about to return from school, I prepare lunch before they arrive. Sometimes I make special dishes, but most of the time I prefer simple and healthy meals. When the kids come back, we have lunch together. After eating, I spend some time talking with them because I believe it's important to communicate with children so they feel comfortable sharing their thoughts with me. In the evening, we usually go to the park, and sometimes we go out for an outing. Today, I felt like going out, so I took the kids with me at 5 p.m. We had a lot of fun, laughed, and played different games. After returning home at night, we had dinner peacefully, enjoyed some tea, and then I put the kids to bed with a bedtime story. Now, this is my time, a moment to reflect on my day, thinking about what I did right, where I made mistakes, and what I could have done better. Life isn't easy. It's a constant hustle, moving from morning to night in a blink. I scrolled through my phone for a while, but soon I felt exhausted, so I put it aside. Now I'm going to sleep with the hope that tomorrow will bring new opportunities and a fresh start. Take care of yourself and stay tuned for my next video. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Note, this is just an effort to show that speaking English is not as difficult as we think. If we start using a few English words in our daily routine, we can learn to speak fluently.